Welcome back to Decor Puzzle Channel. In 2026, modern interiors are being transformed by wall cladding materials that bring depth, texture, and personality into every space. Walls are no longer just background surfaces, they are becoming powerful design statements that define the mood and identity of a home. From subtle natural finishes to bold architectural panels, the latest wall cladding trends are all about creating immersive environments that feel luxurious, timeless, and truly personal. Natural stone cladding continues to dominate modern interiors, bringing organic beauty and earthy warmth into living rooms, bedrooms, and even bathrooms. Materials like marble travertine and textured limestone create a sense of sophistication while maintaining a connection to nature. These surfaces add visual weight and elegance, making any wall feel like a masterpiece of craftsmanship. In 2026, designers are focusing on large format stone panels with seamless joints to create clean, modern aesthetics that feel both grand and minimal. Wood paneling is also redefining contemporary spaces with vertical slats, fluted textures, and warm-toned finishes. Light oak, walnut, and ash finishes are especially popular as they create a calming and inviting atmosphere. Wooden wall cladding adds depth and rhythm to interiors while improving acoustic comfort, making it perfect for bedrooms and lounge areas. The trend is moving towards sustainable, responsibly sourced wood materials that combine beauty with environmental awareness. Textured concrete and microcement finishes are gaining massive popularity for those who love a sleek, industrial, and modern look. These materials create smooth, continuous surfaces that feel bold yet refined. They work beautifully in open concept homes and contemporary apartments where minimalism meets artistic expression. The soft, matte appearance of microcement adds understated luxury while maintaining a raw, architectural charm. Innovative 3D wall panels are another exciting trend shaping modern interiors. Geometric patterns, wave textures, and sculptural forms add movement and dimension to flat walls. These panels are being used as focal points behind sofas, beds, and dining areas, transforming ordinary spaces into visually captivating environments. Neutral tones such as beige, gray, and warm white enhance the modern aesthetic while allowing texture to take center stage. Metallic and glass-infused cladding materials are also emerging as statement features. Brushed brass accents, reflective glass panels, and mixed material combinations create dynamic contrasts that feel futuristic yet elegant. These materials reflect light beautifully, enhancing brightness and giving interiors a more spacious and glamorous appeal. Overall, wall cladding in 2026 is about balance, combining natural warmth, modern minimalism, and innovative design. Whether you choose stone, wood, concrete, or textured panels, the goal is to create interiors that feel layered, refined, and deeply expressive, transforming simple walls into unforgettable design experiences. In 2026, statement accent walls are becoming the heart of modern interiors, transforming ordinary rooms into extraordinary living experiences. An accent wall is no longer just a painted surface, it is a powerful design feature that defines character, mood, and personality within a single wall. Homeowners are creating depth, drama, and elegance, turning simple spaces into visually captivating environments that feel intentional and refined. Bold color choices are leading this transformation. Deep emerald green, rich navy blue, warm terracotta, and muted charcoal are being used to create strong visual impact. These shades add richness and dimension, especially when paired with neutral furniture and soft lighting. A well-chosen color can instantly elevate a living room, bedroom, or dining area, giving it a designer-inspired look without overwhelming the entire space. Textured finishes are also redefining accent walls in modern homes. Fluted panels, subtle plaster effects, and layered materials introduce tactile beauty that makes a room feel more dynamic. Textures create shadows and highlights that change throughout the day as natural light shifts, bringing life and movement to the wall. This approach adds sophistication while maintaining a balanced and harmonious interior. Wallpaper trends in 2026 are more artistic and expressive than ever. Large-scale murals, abstract patterns, botanical prints, and geometric designs are turning walls into works of art. These designs allow homeowners to express creativity and individuality while adding depth and storytelling to the space. A carefully selected wallpaper can become the focal point of a room, drawing attention and anchoring the overall design theme. Wood and stone accent walls are also gaining popularity for their timeless appeal. Vertical wood slats, natural stone veneers, and layered materials introduce warmth and organic texture into contemporary interiors. These elements create contrast, especially in minimalist spaces where clean lines meet natural finishes. The combination of modern simplicity and natural materials results in interiors that feel both elegant and inviting. Lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing statement accent walls. Hidden LED strips, wall washers, and focused spotlights highlight textures, patterns, and colors, creating a dramatic yet refined atmosphere. Strategic lighting transforms the accent wall into a glowing feature that enhances depth and visual interest, especially during evening hours. Ultimately, statement accent walls in 2026 are about intentional design and emotional impact. They transform blank surfaces into meaningful focal points, adding luxury, personality, and architectural depth. Whether through bold colors, textured materials, artistic wallpapers, or integrated lighting, these walls redefine modern interiors and turn everyday spaces into inspiring design. 2026 luxury texture finishes are redefining the way modern interiors feel and function. Walls are no longer flat, silent surfaces. They are immersive design elements that bring depth, character, and emotion into every room. Texture is becoming the language of sophistication, allowing homeowners to express refinement through layered materials, soft shadows, and tactile beauty. These finishes transform simple spaces into curated environments that feel warm, elegant, and architecturally rich. Premium plaster finishes are leading this movement, with smooth matte surfaces and subtle handcrafted effects that create timeless appeal. Venetian plaster, lime wash, and soft mineral coatings deliver depth without overwhelming the space. The beauty of these finishes lies in their natural variations, which reflect light gently and create a calm, organic atmosphere. They work beautifully in living rooms, bedrooms, and luxury hallways, where understated elegance speaks louder than excessive decoration. Microcement and seamless concrete textures are also shaping contemporary interiors. These finishes offer a sleek, modern aesthetic while maintaining a sense of raw authenticity. Their smooth, continuous surfaces create a gallery-like ambience that feels bold yet minimal in open-concept homes. Microcement walls blend effortlessly with floors and ceilings, forming a cohesive architectural statement that enhances spatial harmony and visual flow. 3D wall panel innovations are bringing dramatic transformation to modern homes. Sculptural panels with geometric patterns, flowing waves, and layered designs introduce movement and depth that capture attention instantly. These panels create a dynamic interplay of light and shadow throughout the day, making walls feel alive and expressive. Designers are using neutral tones such as warm beige, soft gray, and creamy white to emphasize texture, while preserving a luxurious atmosphere. Advanced materials such as high-density fiber panels, eco-friendly composites, and acoustic textured boards are expanding design possibilities. These innovations combine aesthetics with performance, offering sound absorption, durability, and sustainability in one elegant solution. Modern 3D panels are lighter, easier to install, and available in customizable designs, allowing homeowners to achieve bespoke interiors with precision and creativity. Lighting enhances the impact of luxury textures and 3D walls in extraordinary ways. Integrated LED strips, concealed uplighting, and soft wall grazing techniques highlight contours and sculptural details, creating depth and dimension, especially in the evening hours. The combination of innovative materials, refined finishes, and thoughtful illumination transforms ordinary interiors into immersive, luxurious experiences that define the future of modern design. Sign statements in 2026. Contemporary color palettes are reshaping modern interiors with a refined balance of warmth, depth, and sophistication. Walls are becoming powerful visual anchors that influence the entire atmosphere of a space. The focus is no longer on overly bright or overwhelming tones, but on carefully curated shades that create harmony, comfort, and timeless appeal. Color is being used with intention to define character, enhance natural light, and elevate everyday living environments. Warm neutrals are leading the movement, replacing cooler grays with softer, more inviting toned. Shades like creamy beige, warm taupe, sandy ivory, and muted clay are dominating modern wall designs. These hues create a calming backdrop that feels elegant and versatile, allowing furniture textures and decorative accents to stand out naturally. Warm neutrals add subtle richness without overpowering the room, making them perfect for living areas, bedrooms, and open-concept spaces. Earth-inspired colors are also gaining popularity, reflecting a growing desire for connection with nature. Olive green, terracotta, dusty rose, and deep forest tones bring organic warmth and grounded energy into interiors. These shades add depth and personality while maintaining a soothing atmosphere. When paired with natural materials like wood, stone, and linen, they create balanced spaces that feel authentic and welcoming. Soft monochromatic schemes are defining minimalist interiors in 2026. Designers are layering variations of a single color to build dimension and interest without heavy contrast. For example, different tones of beige or greige are used across walls, trims, and architectural details, creating seamless visual flow. This approach enhances the sense of space and sophistication while preserving a clean, modern aesthetic. Moody statement shades are also emerging as bold yet refined choices. Deep charcoal, navy blue, and rich espresso tones are being used to create dramatic accent walls or entire rooms that feel intimate and luxurious. These darker palettes work especially well in bedrooms, dining areas, and home offices where depth and focus are desired. When balanced with warm lighting and lighter furnishings, they create powerful yet harmonious interiors. Ultimately, contemporary color palettes in 2026 are about emotional impact and thoughtful design. Whether embracing warm neutrals, earthy tones, soft monochromatic layers, or moody statement hues, modern wall colors are transforming interiors into cohesive, expressive spaces that reflect comfort, elegance, and modern sophistication. In 2026, smart lighting integration is transforming modern interiors by turning walls into dynamic architectural features rather than static surfaces. Lighting is no longer just functional, it is emotional, immersive, and deeply connected to design. Smart systems allow homeowners to control brightness, tone, and ambience with precision, creating dramatic wall effects that elevate the entire atmosphere of a space. Through thoughtful placement and intelligent technology, walls become glowing canvases that shift beautifully from day to night. Layered lighting is at the heart of this transformation. Wall grazing techniques highlight textured finishes and 3D panels by casting soft shadows that emphasize depth and dimension. Concealed LED strips placed behind panels or along ceiling coves create a floating effect that makes walls appear weightless and sophisticated. This subtle illumination adds luxury without visual clutter, making even minimalist interiors feel rich and refined. Color-adjustable smart lighting is redefining mood control. Warm white tones create cozy, intimate environments, while cooler daylight settings enhance clarity and focus. Advanced systems allow smooth transitions between different color temperatures, adapting to different times of the day and personal preferences. Accent walls painted in deep shades such as navy, charcoal, or forest green become even more dramatic when illuminated with focused lighting that enhances richness and contrast. Integrated smart controls bring convenience and customization into modern homes. Lighting scenes can be programmed for relaxation, entertainment, or productivity, allowing walls to respond to lifestyle needs with a simple touch or voice command. Homeowners can transform the ambience of a living room, bedroom, or dining space. The ability to dim lights or create layered illumination adds flexibility while maintaining a seamless and clutter-free aesthetic. Architectural lighting details are also becoming more refined. Recessed wall washers highlight large feature walls, while slim linear lights define vertical or horizontal design elements. This precision lighting enhances materials such as wood slats, stone cladding, and textured plaster, allowing their natural beauty to stand out. Even subtle backlighting behind mirrors or decorative panels can create depth and a soft halo effect that feels modern and luxurious. Ultimately, smart lighting integration in 2026 is about harmony between technology and design. It enhances texture, color, and structure while creating immersive visual experiences through strategic placement, intelligent controls, and layered illumination. Walls are transformed into dramatic focal points that bring sophistication, comfort, and innovation into contemporary interiors. In 2026, wall styling is evolving to reflect every personality and lifestyle, from clean minimalist aesthetics to richly opulent interiors. Walls are becoming storytelling elements that shape the mood and identity of a home. Whether subtle and serene or bold and luxurious, the right wall concept can completely transform a space, creating balance, harmony, and visual depth. Modern design embraces flexibility, allowing homeowners to move effortlessly between simplicity and grandeur while maintaining a cohesive atmosphere. Minimalist wall styling focuses on clarity, proportion, and understated elegance. Soft neutral tones, smooth plaster finishes, and seamless surfaces create calm, open environments that feel spacious and refined instead of heavy decoration. Minimalist walls rely on texture, light, and thoughtful material choices. Subtle panel detailing, linear grooves, and monochromatic palettes enhance depth without overwhelming the space. This approach is perfect for contemporary apartments and modern homes where simplicity enhances comfort and functionality. Transitional wall concepts blend minimalism with gentle warmth, introducing natural materials and soft accents. Wooden slat panels, textured paint finishes, and muted earth tones add character while maintaining balance. These walls create inviting spaces that feel modern yet cozy, making them ideal for living rooms and bedrooms where comfort is essential. The layering of light and subtle architectural details brings quiet sophistication without excessive ornamentation. For those who appreciate drama and grandeur, opulent wall styling introduces richness through bold colors, intricate textures, and premium materials. Deep jewel tones, metallic finishes, and statement wall moldings create a sense of luxury and timeless elegance. Decorative paneling combined with layered lighting enhances depth while highlighting craftsmanship. Marble cladding, velvet-inspired textures, and artistic wall installations transform ordinary walls into striking focal points that command attention. Mixing minimalist foundations with opulent accents is also a growing trend. A neutral backdrop can be elevated with one dramatic feature wall featuring sculptural panels or luminous backlighting. This contrast creates a dynamic yet balanced environment where simplicity meets indulgence. The key lies in harmony, ensuring that bold elements enhance rather than overpower the overall design. Ultimately, wall styling in 2026 celebrates versatility and individuality. From serene minimalist surfaces to lavish textured masterpieces, modern interiors allow every home to express its unique character through intentional design. Thoughtful materials and refined detailing, walls become more than structural elements, they become powerful expressions of style, elegance, and personal vision. In 2026, wall decor is moving beyond beauty and embracing responsibility as sustainability becomes a defining element of modern interior design. Homeowners are choosing materials and finishes that not only enhance visual appeal but also reduce environmental impact. Future-ready wall concepts focus on natural resources, energy efficiency, and long-term durability, creating interiors that feel thoughtful, refined, and connected to the planet. Sustainable wall decor is no longer a niche choice, it is becoming the foundation of contemporary living. Recycled and reclaimed materials are leading this transformation. Reclaimed wood panels, recycled metal accents, and repurposed stone cladding bring authentic texture and character while minimizing waste. These materials add warmth and history to modern spaces, creating walls that feel meaningful and unique. Each reclaimed element carries natural imperfections that enhance charm while supporting eco-conscious living. Eco-friendly paint solutions are also redefining wall design. Low VOC and non-toxic paints improve indoor air quality while offering rich contemporary color palettes. Mineral-based finishes, clay paints, and limewash coatings provide breathable surfaces that create a soft, natural texture. These finishes reflect light gently and add depth without harmful chemicals, making them ideal for bedrooms, living areas, and family spaces. Biophilic wall decor concepts are gaining strong popularity as people seek deeper connections with nature. Vertical gardens, preserved moss panels, and botanical installations introduce greenery directly onto walls. These living elements purify air, reduce stress, and create calming atmospheres within modern homes. Even subtle botanical wall art or natural fiber hangings made from jute, cotton, or bamboo contribute to an organic and serene environment. Sustainable wall panels made from bamboo, cork, and recycled composites are expanding design possibilities. Bamboo offers strength and rapid renewability, while cork provides natural insulation and acoustic benefits. Recycled composite panels combine durability with eco-responsibility, delivering modern textures without depleting natural resources. These innovative materials allow homeowners to achieve luxury aesthetics while supporting environmental balance. Energy-efficient lighting integrated into sustainable wall designs further enhances eco-friendly interiors. LED systems consume less power while highlighting textures and materials beautifully. Smart controls help reduce energy waste, ensuring that lighting complements both design and sustainability goals. Ultimately, future-ready wall decor in 2026 represents harmony between elegance, innovation, and environmental awareness. By embracing recycled materials, natural finishes, biophilic elements, and energy-efficient solutions, modern interiors become not only stylish but also responsible, creating homes that inspire comfort, well-being, and a sustainable future.